500 Doddridge, Tom David Victor, 35 X-ray.
That's fine.
911. I have an overdose victim. All right, what did he overdose on, sir?
11-10-4.
I'd been a cop for like 20 years at that point, but I wasn't ready for this.
Charlie 311, you said disregard?
I think it was heroin. Heroin? Yes. How old is he? 18 years old. 18 years old? All right, sir, is he breathing or not? I need to know.
Yeah, just stop breathing.
I knew that if I had a pulse, I could save him. And so the first thing I did was check for that pulse. There was no pulse. We found him too late. I know at this point that there is nothing that I can do to save this kid's life. And I'm looking down at him, and time has just stopped. And that's when I realized that I knew him. The family that was softly crying in the other room now, I knew them all by their first names. I had taught their children when they were younger, and our families had become close. I had seen his younger sister just a day prior downtown, like goofing off with her friends, smiling, laughing, not a care in the world, you know, and all that has changed now in an instant. And as all these thoughts are swirling through my head, one thought kept coming back. How did I fail you?
Charlie 311, disregard for now. I'm contacting for you.
I became a police officer in 1995, and for the first 10 years of my career, I didn't go to a single opiate overdose. It never happened. It was not a common thing. Really anywhere in the country, our fatal overdoses at that point were sub 10,000 nationwide. But by 2020, our fatal overdoses had increased more than 10 times, and we were losing well over 100,000 people a year to fatal overdoses. And in my world of law enforcement, they had become routine. Every student, every parent, every community needs to know how dangerous the opioid epidemic has become. And they need to know now, because the only alternative is I'm learning a second too late.
Overdose, possibly heroin. Not breathing at this time.